Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the system language on your SONY Google TV. First, press the home button on your remote control to go to the start page. Then use right arrow key to navigate to the gear icon, which will lead you to all settings. Then navigate down to system settings, which have the monitor icon next to them, and open them. Navigate down to language, which has the globe icon next to it, and then press OK. Now select your preferable language from the list and then press the home button, and you will see that the new language is already applied to your TV. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.